Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Removing your Wyze doorbell from its wall plate is a simple task once you know the trick. You might need to do this for troubleshooting, resetting the device, or moving it to a new location. First, go to your breaker box and turn off the power to the doorbell. This keeps you safe from any electrical shocks during the process. You will need the small pin tool that came in the original Wyze box. If you lost it, a thin paperclip or a small screwdriver will work just as well. Locate the small hole at the bottom of the doorbell unit. This is the release mechanism that holds the device onto the mounting bracket. Insert your tool into this hole and push inward firmly. You should feel a slight click as the internal latch releases. While keeping pressure on the tool, grab the sides of the doorbell. Pull the bottom of the unit away from the wall. Once the bottom is free, lift the entire doorbell upward to unhook it from the top of the wall plate. Be careful not to pull too hard because the wires are still attached to the back. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the two screws holding the wires in place. Gently pull the wires out from under the screws. Now your Wyze doorbell is completely detached from the wall and ready for whatever comes next. Always keep the screws in a safe place so you do not lose them. You can now access the setup button or swap out the old mounting bracket for a brand new one.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.